Have you ever felt completely lost in the jungle of online business advice? Just totally overwhelmed? Well, you're not alone. We're going to cut through all that noise with a proven framework for building a real side hustle, one that's based on years of trial, error, and yeah, multi-million dollar success.
So get this. This is a story about hitting the absolute top and then losing it all because the world's changed. It's a powerful reminder that you have to adapt. And the lessons learned from that failure, well, that's exactly what we're going to unpack today.
Okay, so this is the framework we're exploring, the online wealth wheel. And here's the thing, whether you know it or not, you are on this wheel somewhere. Just look at these numbers. A massive 55% of people never even get started. So that brings up a pretty big question. Where are you on this wheel? And more importantly, how do you get to that next stage? Let's start right where most people get stuck, the very beginning. This is stage one, the starting point. It's kind of like the land of inaction, where over half of all aspiring entrepreneurs just stay. I mean, think about that for a second. More than half of all people who dream of making money online, they just don't. And with things like inflation making a single paycheck feel riskier than ever, you gotta wonder, why is this number so incredibly high? And this slide, this is exactly why. The online world, it really does feel like a dense jungle. You're getting bombarded with all this conflicting advice, all these promises of easy money, and it just leads to what they call analysis paralysis. The result? You get so confused, you end up doing nothing at all. But there is a clear way out of that jungle. You can really start with one of two paths. Path one, you sell a skill you already have, like, coding or video editing. Or path two, you sell products. And with things like drop shipping, you can do this without ever touching the inventory yourself. The key is just to pick one path and actually commit to it. Okay, so you've started. That's awesome. But that brings us to the next big hurdle, stage two, which I call the failure trap. This is where all that initial effort can just fizzle out. So get this, another 28% of people get stuck right here, making less than $50 a month. They've put in the work to get started, but they just can't seem to get any real traction. So what's holding them back? Well, it comes down to this one very human tendency, shiny object syndrome. You hear about dropshipping, so you try it for a week. Then you see a video about selling on Amazon, so you jump over to that. Then it's starting a social media agency. You're just constantly chasing the next big thing. This slide is the perfect analogy for it. It's like a miner who digs and digs, gets inches away from a huge vein of gold, and then just gives up and starts a new hole somewhere else. All that work is just wasted again and again and again. So you've got to remember this. The problem isn't the method. All of those business models can absolutely work. The real problem is a lack of focus. You have to pick one path and actually see it through. Now let's get to the good stuff. Stage three, the success formula. This is where you finally break through. We're going to look at what that successful 16% are doing differently to make real money online. And it really boils down to this four-step success formula. Now, they might sound simple, but actually doing them is what separates pocket change from a real business. First, niche down. Second, be consistent. Do the work even when you don't see results right away. Third, show. Don't just tell. And fourth, build trust. Let's dig into a couple of these. First off, you have got to stop trying to sell to everybody. If you try to appeal to everyone, you end up appealing to no one. It's like the difference between shouting into a huge stadium versus having a direct one-on-one conversation. Figure out who your ideal customer is and speak directly to them. Next up, show, don't just tell. Don't just post a boring picture of your product. If it's a gaming controller, for instance, show some really cool close-ups. Demonstrate how these extra buttons give players an edge in the game. Explain the benefit. Show exactly why it's better than a standard one. You gotta make the value impossible to ignore. And finally, you have to build trust. I mean, think about it. Would you buy something from a brand you've never heard of that has 0 reviews? Probably not, right? People have been burned online before. You need social proof, reviews, testimonials, unboxing videos to make them feel safe buying from you. And now for the final stage. Stage 4, the elite level. This is the secret that separates the successful from the truly elite. The one thing that almost no one talks about. Less than 1%. Let that sink in. Less than 1% of people who start a side hustle ever reach this stage. So what is the one thing they understand that basically everyone else misses? Well, it all comes down to a single word, a mindset shift that completely changes the game.
And that word is reinvesting. See, it's not about what you earn, it's about what you do with what you earn. So many people think the whole point of making money is just to spend it. But the elite, they understand that the real power of money is using it to create more money. And when you're starting out, the absolute best place to invest isn't the stock market. It's right back into the business that you actually control.
And this doesn't have to be complicated at all. Reinvesting just means upgrading your tools so you can work faster. It means putting money into marketing to reach more customers. And it means outsourcing small tasks like getting a logo designed so you can focus on the big picture, on growth. So the key takeaway here is this. Don't wait until you're big to adopt this mindset. The moment you make your first dollar of profit, your very first thought should be, okay, how can I put this back in to make $2? That kind of thinking, all by itself, will put you ahead of 99% of people out there. Which brings us to the final question I want to leave you with. That first sale notification finally hits your inbox. You've made your first real profit after everything we've just talked about. What's your first move?